Well, I got me something new today. 24.5 foot pontoon boat. It needs some work, don't get me wrong. It runs. I got some things to do to it. I think it's an '89 Starcraft. Oh, let me climb up here. Needs a lot of stuff done to it. And no, I can't get the top up by myself. So I'm gonna make a pulley system. Ouch. I love it. I love that steering wheel. So I'm gonna make a pulley system that's removable. That's gonna attach each corner there with a foot comes back and probably up about 5-6 foot. One on each side. Of course, I have to be going back and forth to crank it, but my other option is maybe come in with a linear actuator on the arm. But this is exactly what I've been looking for. Because every other pontoon boat I've ever seen, the first thing I'm doing is exactly this right here, ripping it completely apart. Anyways, come on the journey with me, and we'll see how this progresses. Y'all take care.